During this section of the course, we're going to be taking a look at how to import data from an external source. Whether that external source is something simple, like a text file, or it's something more expansive and larger, such as a Microsoft Access database. Now, we're going to take a look at both of them here. But in this section, I'm going to create two pairs of videos. There's going to be an option for 2013 Excel and older, and then there's going to be videos for 2016 and newer. The interface is going to look a bit different based on the version that you're working in. So the next two videos, one's going to be about importing text, the other is going to be about importing from an Access database, is going to be for the 2013 and older editions of Microsoft Excel. Then the next two videos will be for the 2016 users, which gets into Get and Transform combined with Power Query to do the importing for you. They're both the same idea. In the end, you're going to get data imported in from an external source. It's just the interface that looks a bit different. So if you look at a video and it's like, oh, my interface doesn't look like that, it's probably because you're on an older or a newer edition of Excel. So just watch for the video that relates to your version. You can still watch the other ones. It's great information to have because there's lots of different Excel copies, versions that are floating around out there, and you might run into an older one or a newer one at some point. Plus, they're just quick little videos anyways. So let's jump in. Let's take a look at how we can import data from an external source into a Microsoft Excel.